This is the assembly video for the American-style WDC2436 wall diagonal cabinet. The cabinet body, drawer glides, and hardware are in the U-box. The cabinet frame and door face are in the other box. The main box contains the two back panels, shelves, back side panels, the center back panel, the top and bottom panels, and hardware. So start with the frame, laying it down on a smooth cloth or shipping blanket. Install the cam lock screws to the frame into the pre-drilled holes. Slide one side panel onto the cam lock screws and lock it into place. Now slide the second side panel onto the frame's cam lock screws. Place dowels into the top and bottom panels and install. Now tighten and secure the first side via the cam locks. Then screw the side panels to the top and bottom panel. Next, place the first back panel with the groove facing back. Screw that piece into place. Place dowels onto the other side. Now finish securing the other side panel and install the other back panel. Grooves facing up. Slide the center back panel into the grooves and ensure it's flush with the other panels. Screw through the center back panel into the top and bottom panel via the pre-drilled holes. Now stand your cabinet upright. Place the shelf pins at your desired height of your shelves and simply place your shelves onto the pins. Now we're ready to install our door. Start by installing the hinges to the doors. Install the door. Ensure the lip of the hinges sits on the edge of the frame. Adjust the door if necessary via the door hinge. Don't forget to place bumpers on each outer corner of the door. And we're done. American style WDC2436 wall diagonal cabinet, ready for installation.